you want the area of the large circle. Actually, it's just simply pi r square, but we have to establish what the r is in this question, which is somewhere here to the side, right? So if I know the diameter, the entire thing is across like that 2kr plus 2r, right? It means that the radius, which is half of it, is just divided by 2 throughout, which is kr plus r. They are not the same group, so I cannot add them up. But I can only write it as, or I only can simplify further by factorizing out r. So the radius is r bracket k plus 1. So therefore, total area is pi, I use big R square lah, which is pi r k plus 1 whole thing squared. Yeah, then the square is just passing on and you get the area on top lah. Pi r squared, the k plus 1 also get the squared lah. Should